students, let me welcome all of you to our new maths class. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about how to find out the missing digit in subtraction. That is, we needed to find out the missing minuend and subtrahend. How to find out these two, minuend and subtrahend. Let me check. Before that, we needed to study some important equation related to minuend and subtrahend. For finding out minuend, here is an equation that is difference plus subtrahend. The equation to find out the minuend, that is difference plus subtrahend. So, we needed to the subtrahend, there is another equation that is minuend minus difference. Minuend minus difference. First of all, we needed to identify or remember these two equations related to minuend and subtrahend. So, let me check an example how to find out the minuend. There is an example for finding out a minuend. Here it is one number is missing here and another number is given, and here is a difference or solution we get here. From these problems, we needed to find out the minuend. How to find out this minuend? Okay, so it's very simple because we have a definite equation for finding out a minuend. What is the equation? Minuend equal to difference plus subtrahend. Here it is gives different and subtrahend is here. So it is very easy to find out the minuend. Just solve this problem here. Solution is, for getting this minuend, we needed to adopt this, applicable this difference plus subtraction. Our equation is difference plus subtraction. What will be the difference from here? From this problem, we can get the difference. That is, for 123 is the difference from this question. Then we needed to add subtrahend. So plus, what is the subtrahend given here? That is 342. 342. Okay, so let me solve this problem. First one, ones place we needed to start here. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then last one, 4 plus 3, that is 7. We get an answer 765. That is the minuend. That is the minuend for this. Okay, so we get the answer 765. By this way, we can adopt this or we can applicable this equation to find out the minuend. Let me check what is it, if it is correct or not. So, let me check 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, answer is 3. Then 6 minus 4, answer is 2. 7 minus 3, answer is 4. So, our equation will be correct and we got the correct answer for minuend. Okay. This is the method for finding out a missing minuend or missing digit when we are doing the subtraction. I hope all of you clear about this problem for finding out a minuend. Is it clear? Okay. So, after that we can check the how to find out the subtrahend by using this equation. Here it is an equation to find out the subtrahend, that is minuend minus difference. This is the equation applied here. For an example to find out the subtraction is here, first number 834, that is minuend, and another subtrahend we needed to find out, that is missing here. So difference is given, that is difference. Okay, 521 is the difference while doing this subtraction problem. Okay, so let me check how to find out the subtrahend. So let me apply this equation. What is the equation for subtrahend? Minuend minus difference. Minuend is already given here and the difference is also here. So let me find out the subtrahend very easily. Let me check how to solve this. So solution is subtrahend minuend minus difference. Minuend, what is the minuend here? 834. That is the minuend given here, and we needed to subtract this from difference, that is 521. Subtracting 521. Okay, so we needed to solve this equation. 4 minus 1, that is get 3. 3 minus 2, that is get 1. 8 minus 5, that will get 3. Here it is a answer 313. Okay, this is we got the subtrahend here, 313. This is the answer of getting subtrahend. Let me check, is it correct or not? First of all, 4 minus 3, we got the answer 1. Then 3 minus 1, that is 2. 8 minus 3, that is 5. So by applying this equation, we will get the correct subtrahend. These are the two method or equation using for finding out the missing subtrahend and minuend. I hope all of you clear about this problem. If you have to clear, you can do the more problem for this. Okay. So I hope all of you enjoy today's class. So happy for you and thank you to all. Have a nice day.